So this is about the this is fighter jets. So this is by me, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so we have the F-4 Phantom, made in USA in 1950. Now we have the F-14 Tomcat, USA, 1974. And we have one of the most iconic aircraft vehicles ever, the F-15 Eagle, USA, 1976. Another really iconic aircraft, the F-16 Falcon in USA, 1978. And now we have the F-18 Hornet, USA, 1983. And here's the F-20 Tiger Shark, also made in USA, 1982. Quite a few USAs at the start. Here we have the F-22 Raptor, USA, 2005. And here's the F-35 Lightning, pretty new, USA, 2006. Here we have the F-111 Aardvark, USA, 1967. And here we have the F-117 Nighthawk, USA, 1983. And here's the JAS 39, made in Sweden in 1988. And I love this vehicle, just saying. Here's the Eurofighter, it's European, 2003. Basically a bunch of European countries came together to make this. Here's the Su-57. It's Russian and made in 2020. Here's the MiG-29. It's also Russian, I'm pretty sure. And it's made in 1983. Here's the A-10 Warthog, made in the USA in 1977. Amazing aircraft. Here's the J-20. It's a rip-off F-22. It's made in China in 2017. And here's the Kafir C-1. It's Israeli and made in 1974. Here's the Dassault Rafale, made in France in 1986. Here's the Tornado ADV, made in Italy in 1979. Pretty iconic. Here's the Mitsubishi T2. It's made in Japan in 1979. Did I skip one? No? Okay. Here's the F-86 Sabre, made in Germany in 1949. And here's the Harrier II, made in Britain in 1967. Fun fact, it was the first ever aircraft that could take off in VTOL mode. And here's the Su-47. It was made in Russia in 2010. If you heard screaming in the background, that's my dad's girlfriend's son. He's like 4, and yeah. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, for more, and hope you guys